Why would you finance a toy? The quick Fury breakdown. Why would anyone finance a toy instead of just paying cash? Most people assume paying cash is always the smarter move. And honestly, that feels right. But it's not always true. Here's why. These machines are depreciating assets, and when you pay cash, you're taking on 100% of the risk. Smart financing can actually reduce that risk. Now, yes, financing costs money. That's how banks make money. We all know that. But the real question isn't, does financing cost money? The real question is, what are you getting in return? Most Powersports loans are simple interest loans. That means interest is calculated on the remaining balance. So when you pay extra, more of that money goes straight to principal. The faster you pay it down, the less interest you pay overall. So how does that change the risk? Let me give you a real world example. You buy a brand new machine for 10 grand. You pay cash. 1 month later, it gets totaled. Insurance doesn't pay what you paid. They paid market value. So now they tell you it's worth $7,200. You just lost $2,800. That's cash risk. Now let's look at the same situation but financed. Same machine, same price, but this time you finance it and add gap protection. You make one payment, let's say $300, and then that machine gets totaled. Insurance still pays the $7,200, but gap covers the remaining balance owed to the bank. So what's your total loss? One payment, $300 instead of $2,800. That's the difference. Now I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but what about all the interest? Here's the key. If your payment is $300, but you can afford $400, pay that. With simple interest loans, extra payments hit the principal immediately. You pay it off faster, you pay less interest. This strategy isn't about debt. It's about hedging risk. Most people don't keep these machines for the full term of the loan anyways. Accidents happen, life happens, and depreciation hits hardest in the first few years. If you sell or trade early, gap cancels when the loan is paid off. You get a prorated refund for the unused balance, and the interest you paid is often way less than what you protected yourself from. I've seen people pay cash, total the machine shortly after, and lose thousands of dollars. If gap had still been in place, that difference would have been covered. This isn't about convincing everyone to finance. It's about understanding risk. And when you finance smart, you can shift the biggest financial risk away from yourself. And that's the Fury breakdown.